Some things get better with age, and sometimes the best is yet to come. Be a part of Aloa's history while we celebrate our 70th anniversary in fabulous Las Vegas, June 21st through 27th. Aloa has been a defining force for the locksmithing industry for 7 decades. Let Aloa's world-class education help define your winning future. Meet all of the high rollers of the locksmithing world and build your network. The contacts you make here will last a lifetime.
I learned some new things tonight, and you always learn something at Aloa.
The opportunity is so great, it's unreal. With Aloa, you're getting an opportunity to speak to the instructors, and it's just going to put more money in your pocket.
I learned so many things. The instructors were outstanding, and just a great way to develop your career.
The Security Expo on Friday and Saturday is more than just fantastic products. Learn the latest tools and tech on the show floor, make connections, and win prizes. Make a difference at our member meeting. Get energized by our new keynote speaker and go home ready to take on new challenges and opportunities. There's never been a bigger chance to win. Play your cards right at Aloa 2026 in Las Vegas. Get dealt in now at aloa.org.